Everybody's gone into this with open eyes. They know what the legislation proposed is, and so I think politicians of all parties can take it that what the legislation outlined by the government is what the will of the people is. Yeah, I mean, my experience over the years in practice in talking to women, and particularly older women, is that they were ready for this change over quite some time. And it wasn't just the issue of abortion, it was about the way women have been treated by this state over the years, and we all know the litany of abuse that women and children have suffered. So I think it was partly just part of the sequence of redress for all of the wrongs over the years. Everybody's views need to be respected, and I think that came out particularly in the women who have pregnancies where the baby will die, the fatal fetal abnormalities, and a lot of those couples choose to continue on with their pregnancy, and they are looked after with all of the compassion and care that we weren't able to give to women who had to travel, who chose to not go through to the end of the pregnancy, but to deliver their much loved babies early, and they kept mementos and so on. So yes, I have, of course, we have sympathy and empathy and so on with the people who voted no. And they voted no out of genuine concerns, but I think they should have their concerns allayed. Nobody has to have an abortion if they don't want it, and their views will be respected.